for Maybank Philippines Head of Virtual Banking, Mr. Paulo M. Salcedo.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you all for coming. My name is Paulo Salcedo, and I am from Maybank Philippines. We belong to the Maybank Group, the fourth largest bank in Southeast Asia in terms of assets, bigger than most of the leading Philippine banks. Maybank Philippines is one of the true remaining international retail banks in the country today, with almost 27 years under its belt. We have a network of 60 branches, 15 lending centers, 9 premier wealth centers, 9 branch lights, and 1 Islamic banking window. What some of you might not know is that Maybank Philippines was one, if not the earliest pioneers of the mobile banking experience in the country. Last 2014, the Maybank to UPH mobile app, or what we fondly call M2U, was launched. It allowed customers to finally do their basic banking transactions, such as funds transfer and bills payment, without needing to go to a branch. This was followed by the launch of Maybank iSave in 2018. iSave was, during its launch, the first and only deposit account that can be opened via an app. This led to various other enhancements, such as InstaPay QR funds transfer, account favorites, biller expansion, and our partnership with GCash for EasySave. So, 10 years later, after 400 digital deposits opened and millions of transactions served, M2U has been Maybank's way of humanizing financial services in the digital space. But, as with everything else in this world, what's good can always get better.
Experience the new M2U app.
What's Maybank to you?